ताका लागून पुलीस हॅज टू इन्वेस्टिगेट न्हू. आय कॅनॉट आतां पळया तुमकां म्हाका जर तशें इफ आय हॅड कॉन्क्रीट एविडन्स दॅट दे हॅव डन इट आय वूड हॅव फायल्ड दी एफआयआर अगेन्स्ट देम. बट कॉन्क्रीट एविडन्स ना न्हू. सो दॅट इज वाय द पुलीस हॅव टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. वन्स एन एफआयआर इज रजिस्टर्ड सो कोणाक खबर ना न्हू जाल्यार हांव सांगपाक सोदतां वन्स एन एफआयआर इज रजिस्टर्ड द पुलीस हॅव टू इन्वेस्टिगेट इन टू दी एफआयआर. वी कॅनॉट इंटरफियर इन दी प्रोसेस ऑफ दी पुलीस. सो होल तेंच हांव तुमकां म्हणटा न्हू की एट दीस पर्टिक्युलर सिनारियो जात्रेच्या मुडान तांकां तें समजना आसतलें. हांव तेंचो दोश करना. बट कशें आसा द म्युनिसिपालिटी हॅज बीन एज फॉर आय नो द CEO हॅज बीन डे नायट ही हॅज बीन मॉनिटरींग दोज थिंग्स. आनी हेजेर आमचें उलोवणें जाल्लें. फक्त आतां खंयच्यो दिल्या खंयच्यो दिवना की खरेंच त्यो दिल्या काय दिवना कोणाक तरी खबर आसचेना बाबा कोणाक दिल्या त्यो अश्यो गजाली घडोंक शकता. सो दॅट इज वाय आय एम सेयींग की एज अ कन्क्लुजन केन्ना येतलें जेन्ना वन्स एन एफआयआर इज रजिस्टर्ड एफआयआर ही अननोन मनशां अगेन्स्टी रजिस्टर्ड जाता. दीस इज द बेजीक टेनंट ऑफ क्रिमिनल लॉ. ही कोणाय अगेन्स्ट जाता. फाल्यां तुमकां जर कितें ऑफेन्स दिश्टी पडलो तुमकां खबर ना कोणें केला तो so you register an FIR. No, that is how you move forward. In this case there was apparent violation. So when there is apparent violation, FIR has to be registered. So I have directed the Mamledar to register an FIR.
राजकीय कमी तुमच्या विचारात पूण दिसता की वेगळोच सिनारियो क्रिएट जाला. एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर उरले सायडीकूच.
म्हाका अशें दिसता की एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आतां वॉट एवर द ऑनरेबल MLA हॅज सेड तेंच्यांनी कितें व्यक्त केलां ताजेर हांव कमेंट करपाक वचना. दॅट इज नॉट माय जॉब. माय जॉब इज टू पूट दी सायड ऑफ दी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. आमी जेन्ना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन बरें करपाक जाय म्हणटा तेन्ना आमची आतां हांगा एक जापसालदारकी जाता की वी हॅव टू एन्श्युअर दॅट पीपल आर सेफ. लोक जे भावीक हांगा येता देवाक पांय पडपाक ते सेफ उरपाक जाय. हेजो इतलोच हें ती कितें कमिटीक दोश दिवपाक कितें कमिटीक दोश दिवपाचो आसलो जाल्यार कमिटीचेर हांव रावचो नासलो ना. डायरेक्ट एफआयआर घालता आसतलो. वाय इट हॅज बीन डायरेक्टेड टू फायल एफआयआर बिकॉज देन मामलेदार वील ऑल्सो बी इन अ पोजिशन to think over it. No, that is why direction has been given. Tomorrow if Mamledar comes to know about more facts, he will tell me baba these are the facts. So we will get a clarity on the picture. वो आता इशू आसा तो खंयच्या खंय पावलो जे म्हाका वायट दिसलें आनी काय सांगपाक शकना. The Mamledar 167 stalls have been erected and secondly the safety of the people and all, because in case something catches fire here we will also have to see, we will have to go, because the day when inspection took place, joint inspection took place, we had also chalked out a plan for access of the fire brigade. It has to come inside. Now who have erected, how they have erected, that has to be investigated, that has to be inquired. It cannot be done. I cannot just comment on it. Such person is what you say, he is culpable for this or somebody else is culpable for this. These are processes of investigation. So it is for the police to investigate, to inquire into the matter and take appropriate action. आनीक खूब अशे विशय कळोन चुकल्या की बाबा हांगा झगडी जाली थंय मातसो स्कफल जालो. वाय दीस थिंग्स हॅव अरिजन बिकॉज ऑफ दोज एक्स्ट्रा स्टॉल्स which were put up. But who has put it up? Whether the committee is responsible for it? Is it really? Are they responsible? Or तांकां कदाचित खबरय आसचेना की कोणे तरी येवन घातलें. बिकॉज कशें आसा जात्रा न्हू लोकांची भावना जुळ्या बोडगेश्वरा कडेन. सो ह्या अशा सिच्युएशनान कशें आसता की ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली आमी त्या टायमार तेजो सोक्षमोक्ष लावंक शकना. सो तेका काळांतरान तेजो सोक्षमोक्ष लागता. दॅट इज वाय एफआयआर इज नॉट एट फायल्ड, इट इज डायरेक्टेड टू बी फायल्ड. There are reports in the media. Audible asa no?
Hi.
There are reports in the media that FIR is to be. I have directed FIR against the committee members, which is utterly a false thing. Let me clarify that no FIR is directed against anybody. FIR is directed only for the purpose of investigation, and the police have to investigate the matter. It is a violation of the order of the collector. The collector North had issued an order allowing 75 stalls. The stalls have increased. They have doubled in fact. There are around 167 stalls at present on the site. So we have to investigate this thing. So we cannot say at this juncture we cannot say that the committee is responsible for it. It is for the police to find out. So this thing which is being spread in media and circulated everywhere is false. Cannot hold anyone responsible for this at this juncture. It is for the police. They have to do their job. They have to inquire into it. And I am still confused why the honorable CM has been dragged into this. This is an purely administrative action which I have taken in the interest of the people. हांगा भावीक येता ते देवाक पांया पडपाक येता, हांगा गर्दी जाता, फाल्यां खंय तरी उजो पेटलो, कितें किट्टी हें जाली, कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसा? तुम्ही सदांच मागीर अगेन द ऑनरेबल CM is to be blamed. See, I am not making any political comments. Let me clarify. I am making administrative comments. Things which are in line with the administration. There is some thought put by the district administration to give only 75 permits. कितें तरी thought आसतलो न्हू. बेश्टेच काय कोण तशें काडून दिवचो ना. आनी लोकांची सेफ्टी इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. हांगा म्हापशेचे सगळे लोक येतात. म्हणल्यार this is all over Goa. This is a famous this jatra, and we have to ensure that it is done very safely.